Hello everybody, hope you all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on how to use basics, and today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to change your email on your Crunchyroll app. So if you want to change your email into Crunchyroll app and you do not know how to get started, then this video is for you. Keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to change your email address on your Crunchyroll app, first of all, go ahead and tap on Crunchyroll app itself. After you do that, you'll be appeared with the screen on your mobile phone. So go ahead and tap on account, which is in the bottom right corner. After you do that, you'll be able to see several options. Here you are going to tap on email under membership. So go ahead and tap in there. Now as you can see here, you can request email change link. So we are going to change our email, so we can go ahead and tap on request email change link. Now it says a secure link has been sent to your email, so we should go ahead and check our email first. Now all you have to do is go ahead and tap on change email. Now here it leads us to a website, and we are supposed to write on the new email here or type a new email here. So go ahead and type on your email whichever you want to change your current email to. Now go ahead and confirm your new email. Now go ahead and tap on your current password of your Crunchyroll account. Now go ahead and tap on update email. It says email successfully updated. As you can see, we have already been logged out from our account. That means our email has already been changed. Now you can simply log into your account. So that's how easy it was. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.